My teacher told me that the Faculty of Education in Slovenia is very good for like interesting subjects, and I have to say that it is. And of course, because of nature, in Slovenia it's beautiful nature, so I visited already mountains and sea and also lakes like Bled and Bochum, and yeah, that's it. And also Ljubljana is a really beautiful city, so the historic center and also the faculty is nice. There are not so different, like it's almost the same or it's very similar. Regarding to study, it's very similar, and life, I think the main differences is between life in the main city, the capital city like in Ljubljana, but it's almost same like live in Prague. So I think the like my village in Czech, it's almost same like the little village in Slovenia. I would like to be a teacher, definitely. I study primary school education, so it's the first grade. But before I go to work, I just want to travel the world or to Europe, something like that. Maybe a year or 2 years after school. I miss my family and my friends, definitely. Regarding to food, it's okay, I like the food, and student system with bonding, it's great. I think in Czech they should be do it. Definitely Slovenia, I like it very much. It's a really nice country and nice people. Yeah. Maybe then after another semester in Slovenia, then I can choose another country.
Have you been there in Prague? No, maybe not. This is the capital city, and this is the flag actually. I study primary school education in Češke, in Czech Republic, and I live there. There is a little village, and I live there. So, in the map of Czech Republic, you can see some trees, buildings, and also animals. What kind of animals you can see? There is, for example, this is a pig. Yeah. And there is, do you know what is it? Cow. Right. And also, there are some mountains. There are mountains there and there. There is the biggest mountains of Czech Republic, and it's called Sněžka. What's the name of your biggest mountains? Yeah. I can show you our flag. This is our flag, and you can see there is no picture. Yeah, the same colors. Which colors you can see? This is your flag. Yeah, this is our flag. Which colors is it? White, blue, red. Yeah. And you have the same colors. But you have black, and you have different shades. Okay, I can show you this. Look at the flag and the same flag. Okay, this is on black. You need to show the words what you have on the paper. When you find your bed, just sit down on the floor. Find the lake in the map, and they are lost, and take a picture again. So there are tourists. So we play a game like Czech tourists. We need to make a group of three. Group of three. Okay, so stand up. Or three. Okay, come on.
barva.